Drain and clean for your pond with Damascus Enterprises. Here's what you can expect. The guys will arrive on site, and one will go straight to your door to knock and greet you. He or she will explain the tasks they will be performing on your pond.
Hi, Mark with Damascus Enterprises. How are you?
Including your talk, they will get all the necessary tools off their truck and set up at your pond site. Some of the items you may see is the storage basin used for holding water and any fish you may have, a pressure washer and hoses, and the pump to extract the water to the holding basin. Once they're all set up, they'll do what we always do, perform the best job you could ever receive. Damascus Enterprises, transforming ponds, one ripple at a time.